All right. Okay. Let me put this headset on. Okay. I missed a recording yesterday, at least, but I did work. I may even miss two, which is not good. But I did work those days, so we got stuff to show. So I temporarily made some boxes for the lettuce and the tomatoes because they were just going all over the place, but that's definitely not convenient. So what I was working on was trying to figure out the ketchup, and it may be a total fail, but I got to change some of my code around to see if it works. So, whoa, Jesus, there's something wrong with this model. I hope it's just the model that glitched. Sometimes I grab it and it stretches. So, it's kind of funny. They're not going to see what this. Oh, that's whoa. Okay, buy ketchup. So I created this system. It's not a particle system. It's called object pooling. That it basically reuses objects over and over again. And so I have like a nice stream coming out of the ketchup. That's interesting. Like when you grab it with both, it freaks out. So, oh man, you know what? Oh shit, I'm gonna have to start this over. It just knocked everything over. Let me start a new video. Or I can just restart the app. I didn't have to end the video anyway. So all right. So let me try this again. So and this works. This is really close to what I want. It's not perfect because it's like single things, but it's like it's not bad. The problem is, and I don't want to show you because it really screws up, is that each one of these spheres has a collider, and my burger right now has like 5 or 6 colliders. So it's like 500 spheres trying to connect with 500 colliders, and it just doesn't work. So yeah, it's kind of unfortunate. But I had to figure out how to get the buttons to work, and then because the buttons work a little bit differently in the remotes. And then I had a problem, and you can kind of see here. So I was getting the object pooling, and then the dots weren't working right. There's actually all these hidden colliders around here that kind of gets these spheres to work this way. So I had to kind of figure that out, and then also too, like it was getting a point where like I was just clicking it once, and it was just once there, and it turned out the function I was reading was like kind of once per frame. But then I found another function that you can. It's basically kind of why it's hold down. So that works, but I can't get it close to the burger because it just explodes, kind of like what it did before. But all right, and I don't know. I think I showed a lot. The lettuce, the colliders are kind of colliding on itself, and then the colliders, the model, is not very good either. Let's see here, make sure I'm in the middle. That it gets weird, like it's this model. I think they were just trying to save on one side or something like that. And I kind of was messing with the colliders. So there, oh, did I click I must have clicked, oh, when I went through it, it must have hit the button. I slowed this down, but it's still too fast. I don't know. I think I've showed all this stuff to work. Um, there and there. Oh shit. Maybe I can get it at the end. There we go. And go for the long. Oh, that's another there. Yeah, like this is slow. And I know people are not going to have much room either. I know I have more room than everybody else. I mean, I've got about 12 feet. I'm still, gosh, I probably should be here. Um, I can move a little bit more than the rest of people. I haven't tested too much with two hands, but it all works. And then get some of the tomatoes. So, yeah, playing with sizes a little bit. I think I did a recording on that already. Yeah, that I definitely want to move around, but I think kind of with the keys, I think I'm gonna have to have like a row of stuff here and then the row of stuff here. So you're gonna quickly there. I can definitely make this thinner. Um, but yeah, it's I gotta play around with that a little bit to get something to work. I mean, this is dumb because it's I mean, maybe the buns at the end or something, but yeah, and then yeah, I'll play with the system too, where like I'll have maybe orders and kind of going up an exact or whatever, and maybe something that says like it's good or bad. Um, yeah, it would be kind of cool, like have like a number of the order, like right floating with it. That would be kind of cool. There, but man, it's just you're gonna get a workout. They're just like bam, 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 bam. I'll just throw that out. Bam, 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 bam. That's um. Oh shit! Why is it? Oh, there and so yeah, I slowed these down probably about 25%, but they probably need to slow down for another 50%. But yeah, the ketchup. I have an idea to kind of fix it. Um, Instead of having like all these colliders that I have on here, I think I can make one collider. And I was kind of playing this already. It's like, all right, if you already have an onion, don't kind of listen for the onion anymore, and then just have this kind of one path. That maybe that ketchup can work that way. I don't know. Yeah, maybe I should just test the ketchup collider, take everything off. That might work. So yeah, so I'll probably play with that a little bit. I'm kind of tired today. I'll show this to John, just kind of where stuff is heading to. But yeah, yeah, that's it so far. And then yeah, tomorrow I'll play with this, and then maybe that ketchup, get the ketchup and the mustard working correctly. But yeah, that's it for now. All right, thanks.